2019 Ford F650 Platinum, 2019 Ford F650 Crew Cab, 2019 Ford F650 Dump Truck, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Ford brand. The title of an article we take is 2019 Ford F650 to 2019 Ford F650 Platinum, 2019 Ford F650 Crew Cab, 2019 Ford F650 Dump Truck, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Ford F650 Platinum, 2019 Ford F650 Crew Cab, 2019 Ford F650 Dump Truck, new cars by. Any 2019 Ford F650 is going to be an excellent selection for you, should you be looking to have best doing work equipment. Through the years, this kind of truck continues to be recognized as a great deal due to its outstanding attributes. It really is a truck created mainly for work, but also capabilities quite cozy, nearly vehicle-like cabin, which in turn is stuffed with sophisticated technological innovation. For the upcoming season, firm possibly will not expose some kind of particular novelties. We will have the quite a lot identical unit, which can yet again arrive as being a total director when it comes to class. Your 2019 Ford F650 can happen at the end of the year and indeed should retain the identical price. 2019 Ford F650 Redesign. Exterior and interior design. Ford Motor Unit Organization delivers a variety of pickup trucks of numerous sorts. There is famous and recognized lighting obligation F150, plus Super Duty designs just like F250, F350, and many others. Additionally, there are method task pickups. The particular 2019 Ford F650 is only one of these. It indeed is described as unmatchable shows. Changes for the upcoming 12 months usually are not arranged, as outlined by our options. So, we will have just about a similar truck for a reason that present version. A visible look will stay the same but, what exactly is more essential, 2019 F650 may preserve the unusually high amount of shows. Also, most of these types are generally characterized by way of high quality. Though it is mostly an operating unit, it will give you a secure cabin. This unique version functions not just huge, but additionally beautiful interior. Ease and comfort are over a top level, and also there is a right amount of technology. On the inside of this unique truck, there are plenty of superior capabilities when it comes to safety, travel aid, and leisure way too. 2019 Ford F650 engine. After it is about motors regarding 2019 Ford F650, points may also stay the same. You will see two products to an offer you, one particular petroleum and even other diesel driven. After it is about fuel device, we will have a similar 6.8-liter V10 car engine. This model provides lots of potentials. Optimum result is just about 360 horses when maximum torque is finished 450 lb-ft. The actual 2019 F650 will probably be made available when it comes to diesel version. It is additionally a nicely acknowledged and established engine, with the help of displacement regarding 6.7 liters. This specific engine can be found in some layouts, supplying potential within a range from 250 as well as 360 horsepower. 2019 Ford F650 release date and price. The particular 2019 Ford F650 can come anywhere delayed this coming year. Price must stay the same, which implies all around $60 for foundation design. Thanks.